actually got real snow today. 3 whole inches, I think. 4, I'm not sure, but it never snows like this. These chickens, most of them have never seen snow, and all of them, I don't think, have never seen it snow like this. And they are refusing to come out of their coops. Most of them. I put some hay down. I'm gonna spread this bale around here. Had to bring them their food and water in nest boxes, because they just like, so I don't wanna. Not coming out on snow day. Blustery day. They even called this a blizzard for New Mexico. I can believe it. It's quite the storm today. Stopped me from going where I needed to go today. My husband is even home. Ken had to stay home. So most of the chickens are out, except for a few, such as the guys. All the ladies are out, but the guys are in here where it's cozy. Shaheen and the 2 young things, and he's actually letting them be in here with him. You're funny, Shaheen. There are no hens in here, just the guys. Shiloh, without her jacket. I don't like dressing up my dog, but her coat is thin, so I like to put a jacket on her. But it was out of reach after I got my shoes on. So she's out here without a jacket. In the other coop, who do we have here? We have several ladies. I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of eggs today. They're all traumatized from the snow. Oh my goodness. Some of them are braving it, but not these. They're like, okay, no thanks. We're done. The world is coming to an end. Chickens are so much fun. Well, it looks like we are getting some eggs today. I see at least one. There's a fake one in there. So that's 1 egg. And these looking to lay some more. I'm going to have to check them though. It's going to be below freezing for like 3 days in a row, which is very unusual for where I live. Check eggs, make sure they don't freeze. There are 3 nest boxes, 2 more down here, and they want that nest box. It's so funny. I'm going to boot her out, go in herself. Yep. Well, looks like the chickens are getting over their fear of snow. They were traumatized yesterday. We'll see what they do tomorrow. We're supposed to have more snow tomorrow. Wow. Yuki there, the white one. I think she started laying eggs. I've had some very dark green eggs appear, and I don't think I've had that color before. It'd be interesting if she's the one laying that. Dark green is not the color I would expect her to lay. We shall see. I want to find out. Lexi there. She's looking good. And a Goldie next to her. Yep. Looking good. I'm in the house at the moment. Look at these ladies. They got their necks shoved down into their feathers as far as they can go. Look at that. That's one way to stay warm.